That dramatic growth was due to the careful preparation of Agel's founders and due to a couple of key market innovations, the first of which is right here in my hand. Inside every Agel product are nutrients, nutrients that your body needs. Agel product developers and scientists have literally scoured the globe looking for nutrients and compounds that have been proven to promote health. Umi features brown seaweed from Japan. Ohm has ginseng from Korea and rhodiola from China. Exo has African rooibos, European aronia, also gac fruit, sea buckthorn, and mangosteen from Southeast Asia. But there's something else inside each and every Agel packet. That's something with a difference. It's gel. Glenn Jensen's stroke of genius was to take the world's best nutrients and compounds and to suspend them in gel. Why? The answer has to do with something called solubility. Let's head over to the lab and talk to Agel's top product engineer, Mr. Joel Rockwood. Joel, why gel?
Gel for a couple of reasons. There are two types of nutrients in the world. There's soluble nutrients and insoluble nutrients. The soluble nutrients, for example, we have some sugar here. That you'll notice as we mix this up, you stir it up, you'll notice it dissolved very quickly. And once it's all dissolved, you have a uniform sweetness throughout the sugar mixture. The first drop is the same as the last drop as far as sweetness. Now, when you're talking about insoluble nutrients, they don't dissolve as readily. Another example, there's some fibrous material here that you'll notice as I mix this up, gets a little cloudy there. After just a moment, it all settles out to the bottom. That's the difference between the fibrous, the insoluble versus the soluble.
So how does that play out with some of the juices we see on the market?
Well, not very well for the juices, because a lot of the nutrients that we are looking for in those juices is bound up in the fibrous material that you find in the juice. And if you look at them, you'll notice there's an inch or two of sediment at the bottom of the juice, and that's where a lot of the nutrients are found.
Yeah, and how does that play out in the manufacturing process?
Well, when they have a giant vat of this juice, there's a tremendous amount of sediment in that they're trying to mix up evenly. When they fill it in each bottle, the sediment levels are a little different in each bottle, and so your nutrient levels are off.
And how is Agel different?
Agel's different because when we make a vat of gel, we make the suspension gel first, and then we put the nutrients in after, and it's evenly distributed from top to bottom, so that the nutrients are either suspended or dissolved, depending on if they're soluble or insoluble.
So even the fibrous material is mixed into the gel so that there's a uniformity of distribution. The first drop is the same as the last, is that right?
Exactly.
Well, thanks, Joel, for showing this to us.
You're welcome.
It's remarkable. And, of course, that's only one of the key innovations of gel. Others include the single-serve packet, being able to take it without water, and, of course, the way your body absorbs the nutrients when it's presented in gel. We'll cover some of those in subsequent Agel Live 360